Traders don't lose because of a bad strategy. They lose because they don't understand how the market actually moves. And once you see this, you can never unsee it. Welcome to Price Action Lab. This channel is about understanding price, not predicting it. No indicators, no signals, no hype. Just how forex and crypto markets really move from a price action and market psychology perspective. Part 1. The biggest myth. Most traders believe if they just find the perfect strategy, they'll start winning. They switch indicators, they buy new courses, they jump from forex to crypto and back again. But the problem was never the strategy. The real problem is how they think about the market. Part 2. How the market really works. Markets don't move randomly. They move to areas where orders exist. Big institutions don't chase price. They wait for liquidity. That's why price often hits your stop loss, then moves in your direction without you. That's not bad luck. That's how the market is designed. Part 3. Why retail traders keep losing. Retail traders focus on indicators, entries, predictions. Institutions focus on liquidity, market structure, behavior of traders. Two completely different games. And most people don't even realize they're playing the wrong one. Part 4. What this channel will teach. On this channel, we'll break down why price reacts at certain levels, why markets move before news, why forex and crypto follow the same psychology, and how institutions think, without selling you anything. This is about understanding, not signals. If you want to understand markets instead of guessing them, subscribe to Price Action Lab. New videos every week, breaking down forex and crypto through pure price action. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.